Hello, in this lesson where we're talking about Cornix, what Cornix is, this is a setting the standard for automatic trading. So Cornix is all about automatic trading. So it's a bot, mainly Telegram bot, which you connect to a signal channel, and then whenever a signal is posted in a particular Telegram channel, the Cornix connected to the channel will trade automatically for all the members of the channel if they have already connected to the Cornix. Alright, so when you click on the menu say this is, you can go about, check the features, the DCA board, exchanges, supported channel, pricing, tutorial, careers, Bybit tournament. So they have a 14 days free trial. You can be able to try it with the signal which I'm going to offer you in the Telegram channel. So when you try it, you can be able to, you see how it works. So you can get started, get registered. Automatic trading done right. So it's all about automatic trading. Simple yet powerful. Cornix trade with multiple entries, take profit and stop loss orders. Concurrent take profit and stop loss orders on the same balance. Split your take profit and entry targets, setting automatic entry and take profit strategies, default trade size, default stop loss, and much more. Break out trade. Alright, so these are the features. Okay, have a complete visibility into your trade portfolio and then market. So it's very powerful. These are some other features. It says always stay updated, advanced trading features, safe and secure, trading view alert and pin script, manage your exchanges in one place. So this bot is very good, and that is what I have been using for some time. Optimize trading configuration. So after just connecting it, you just stay back, watch as your profit grows. That is, after adding your username to the Cornix, subscribing to the VIP channel which I'm going to offer you, and then connecting to any of these supported exchanges. You say Bybit, KuCoin, VOB, BitMEX, Bittrex, Binance Futures, and FTX, but mainly I suggest Binance and then Bybit. So supported channel, these are other channels. Then these are the prices. That's pro, intermediate, and then beginner. That's $19. You can start out with this per month, or 26. That's almost $27 per month, and then that is for after the trial. You can try it out for 14 days and see how it works. All right, then you can just browse this website to check other things, but this is what it is. Cornix is a bot that trades automatically, follows a signal automatically. Now let me show you an example of the signals it trades. Here, this is my Telegram channel, Cash for Coins Features VIP. Now let's go for the last signal posted. Okay, this is today I'm recording this on the 21st of September 2002. That's 2022 exactly. So this is it. That's today. Then you will see that of yesterday, which is 20th September. So to show you that it is actually recorded on the 21st of September 2022. Now this is it. This is an example of signal which the Cornix trades. It says XRP USDT short is a futures signal. Entry zone it has two entries, the first and the second. So immediately I post this on the channel, Cornix will capture this data, the entry point and then target. It will first of all check any of this. It will be automatically updating and checking the market price in those exchanges. Immediately the first price reaches, it will trade it for you. It will enter the market. It will create a position in your own account without you lifting a finger. That is how sweet it is. Even when you are sleeping and I am posting signals, it will be trading automatically for you. Then it will now wait until it reaches any of the targets. How many targets do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. It will just be taking profit at each target. It will take a profit at each target. It will take a profit at each target. It will take a profit. That is how it works. That is when you say multiple take profits. Okay. Then that is a stop loss, and then the leverage. So it just follows it as it is here, and then create it in your own account. That is your own futures account. If you have subscribed to this channel and connected your API to your Binance or Bybit. So that is how simple it is. Okay, so Cornix, VIP futures, Signal, and Binance. These three things will make you to be able to trade futures signal